Howdy, folks. Deep Color with John Brown here. We're gonna move quick. My boy and friend of the channel, Zach, caught a fat smallmouth and also had his tackle reappropriated by a goddamn rattlesnake at Aztec Wash, right under Nelson's Landing a couple weeks ago. You can follow him on Instagram at Zacker90, that's ZAKKR90 on the gram. Do not try this at home. Okay, first, he caught a 6 smallie. Blows my PB out of the water. Almost in.
It's a largemouth. It's a largemouth. There you go, buddy.
Look at the belly on that thing. Great fish, brother. Awesome.
Yeah, just grab them out. There you go. Yeah.
Just
There you go.
Just grab it, bro.
It's okay. It's not gonna bite you. No, it's not. No, it's not.
Just grab it, bro.
There you go. And then open it.
Zach has never caught a bass this big before. I love to see people excited to catch fish. Great job, my man. Just outstanding.
My first bass, baby. Look at that. Oh. That really hooked me too.
Now, prior to that hookup, my guys welcomed an unexpected visitor. This is a rattlesnake, and that is not a sound effect. This is the real audio of a snake trying to casually elude my threatening comrades.
Fucking rattlesnake.
Don't worry, little guy. You leave us alone, and we'll leave you alone. How's that for a deal? As the weather cools, snakes will be less active, but they're still out there looking for a meal and a heat source. I don't think this little rattler was trying to eat my buddy Zach, but it could definitely have wrecked his morning. Keep your eyes up, folks. Danger lurks. Thanks for watching. Back with more fish soon.